In many developing countries, cup manufacturing is not driven by speed alone, but by a careful balance of human skill, experience, and simple machinery. Behind every everyday cup is a long process shaped by labor, patience, and tradition. Today, we take you inside a ceramic cup factory to see how raw natural clay is transformed into finished cups ready for daily use. The journey begins with raw materials. Natural clay is delivered to the factory and mixed with sand and minerals that improve strength and durability. Workers measure these materials mostly by experience, using techniques learned over many years. Water is added slowly, and the mixture is blended until it reaches the right consistency. This early stage is critical because the quality of the clay determines the strength and lifespan of the final cup. Once mixed, the clay becomes a thick slurry. It is pumped through simple pipelines into large storage tanks. Older pumps vibrate as they push the heavy material forward, and workers monitor the flow carefully. Even small air pockets or uneven movement at this stage can affect the final product. Before shaping, the clay must be refined further. It passes through mesh filters and is kneaded repeatedly to remove impurities. Workers test the clay by hand, feeling its smoothness, elasticity, and moisture. This hands-on inspection ensures the clay is ready for forming. Next comes extrusion, one of the most important steps in the process. The clay is pushed through an extrusion machine that removes trapped air. This prevents cracking later during high-temperature firing. As the clay exits the machine, it forms long, solid logs, smooth, dense, and ready for shaping. These clay logs are cut into sections and placed into cup-forming machines. Metal dies and rotating molds shape the basic cup body. While machines do much of the work, workers constantly monitor thickness, alignment, and pressure. Small adjustments are made by hand to keep each cup as uniform as possible. Once the main body is formed, handles are added. Handles are shaped separately and attached by hand using wet clay. This is one of the most skill-intensive steps in the entire process. Workers smooth the joints carefully, ensuring the handle bonds strongly to the cup and feels balanced when held.
साफ काम कर ले ये बहुत भाई गंदा कर दे नहीं बात कर दी मल्टीपल डिजाइन है ना पहले दोबारा बनाएंगे एक ही सही है छेद है तो इसी के तो पैसे मिलते हैं जर्मन आए आगे जर्मन यूनिवर्सिटी पढ़ के आगे हैंडल करता बोला मैं से जाके काम करना बस गलती में वापस आया फिर जान नहीं होया चलो कोई नहीं यार पहला दिशा कैसी बात है हां बिल्कुल एक दो सच्चा खोल ना एक दो सच्चा खोल दो विश्वास जर्मन जाके गेस्ट करके आए सो मैं बस में मारे बहुत ज्यादा वीडियो चलो अल्लाह हाफिज़ मैं वैसे यार जॉब आंदी है ने लैंग्वेज बेस पे अप्लाई करो ये हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट कितने है काम
After shaping, the cups are left to dry. When ready, they move to the painting and glazing area.
चल एक तो ले ऐसे निकले तो ले बिल्कुल चलो जी करो जी और ਇਹ ਗਲੇਜ਼ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਭਾਈ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੰਜ ਕਰਾਣ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸ਼ੀਸ਼ਾ
Some cups are hand painted, while others are dipped into glaze tanks. Glaze is applied both inside and outside the cup, giving it a smooth surface, sealing the clay, and making it safe for food and drink. The glazed cups are then loaded into large furnaces, also known as kilns.
रैंडम सा दे दिया डिज़ाइन एक ये चॉकलेट सा है एक वाइट है पिंक कलर
Workers stack them carefully on shelves, making sure heat can circulate evenly. The furnaces reach extremely high temperatures and often operate continuously for days. Inside the intense heat, fragile clay is transformed into hard, durable ceramic, and the glaze melts into a smooth glass-like coating. After firing, the cups must cool slowly. Kiln doors are opened gradually, allowing heat to escape over time. Rapid cooling could cause cracks or internal stress, so
टाइम तक जो है ना आगे निकाल देता है लोडिंग
patience is essential. This slow cooling process ensures strength and durability. Once cooled, each cup is inspected by hand. Workers tap the cups, check the glaze, and look closely for cracks or shape defects. Only cups that meet quality standards are approved. Imperfect pieces are set aside, while acceptable cups move forward. Finally, the finished cups are packed. In many factories, simple materials such as paper or cardboard are used to protect them. Boxes are sealed and prepared for transport.
Very good.
From this modest factory, the cups travel to homes, tea stalls, cafes, and markets across the region. This process is more than manufacturing. It is craftsmanship shaped by human hands, experience, and tradition. From raw clay to ready-to-use cups, each piece carries the story of labor, patience, and pride. Thank you for watching.